Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation, a topic about the organism and its environment. My name is Rustin, NPM 192 trillion 111 billion 402 million 111,014. Faculty Physics and Science Education, major Education Biology in 2022. The purpose of this video presentation is the first to improve English language skills. The second is to understand the organism and its environment correctly, and to group the types of plants obtained into the group of hydrophytes and xerophytes with adaptation to their environment. Location of this video in the area of Ampana, district of Tojo, Una. Okay, next one slide. The explanatory theme of this video presentation about the organism and its environment is: an organism is an individual living being, whether it is a microorganism, plant, animal, or human. Every organism lives in an environment consisting of physical, chemical, and biological elements that affect the existence and interaction of such organisms. The organism environment consists of two main components: the abiotic environment and the biotic environment. A biotic environment includes all physical and chemical factors in the environment, such as temperature, light, water, air, soil, and the chemical elements. These factors affect the adaptation of organisms to their environment. The biotic environment, on the other hand, consists of a living organism that exists around the organism. This includes organism interaction with other organisms, such as predator or victim relations, competition for resources, and symbiosis interaction between different species. Organism, organisms also have certain habitats or habitats within their surroundings. Habitat is the physical environment in which organisms live and obtain food, water, shelter, and other necessary resources. Organisms develop and adapt to specific habitats according to their. Okay, next to slide 4. From the subject of the organism and its environment in the discussion and also the picture that I took in the Ampana area, Tojo Una district, where the hydrophytes and xerophytes plants are examples of organisms that have developed special adaptation to the surrounding environment. Hydrophyte plants live in highly wetty environments such as dams, lakes, or rivers. They have developed special adaptation to survive in the wet condition of the contour that I get kangkung plants. This is kangkung plant, cos echeng. This is cos echeng, and plant of pakau. Next slide for 5. Hydrophyte plants. Hydrophyte plants live in humid or wet environments with high water levels, such as rainforests. They have developed adaptation to survive in humid environments and have abundant water supplies such as the plant garglet. This is garglet. This is pakis. This is tails. This is lemut, this is palm. Next to slide, xerophyte plants. Xerophyte plants live in dry or desert environments where the availability of water is very limited. They have developed adaptation to survive in dry and water-saving conditions, such as the cactus plant and mertuatong plants. Okay, next the conclude. As for the conclusion of this video, the relationship between the organism and its environment is a very important aspect in ecology, and organisms affect the environment around it, and in turn the environment affects the organism. There are complex interactions between organisms and environmental components, such as water, soil, air, and other biotic factors. The organism and its environment can be a good source of learning because they provide an opportunity to understand concepts in biological and ecological science in a practical and relevant way. Conducive direct observation of organisms in their surroundings allows students to see clearly morphological characteristics such as adaptation to their habitat. In case studies of specific organisms and their environment, they can help students understand morphological adaptation by looking at the characteristics of root, stems, and leaves of hydrophyte, and xerophyte plant groups. Use their technology. Technological advance allow the use of tools such as camera, digital microscopes, or simulation software to study organisms and their environment. So, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's all from me. See you soon.